Parking muna.
Okay, then.
Bar. Q. Bar. Mindless.
I will see you.
We're going to mind.
See you.
Wow. Say see you guys.
See you, girl.
Bye. Bye.
Tatakpan niya kasi. Tatakpan mo.
Wait lang, a game. Hi. Kasama sa...
Ayun mo, sa likod mo. Here's time. Huwag mo yung chocolate mo. Dali ka na. Fish, ayun mo. Fish. Ayun, baby, look mo. Big chocolate. Big chocolate with dalangan. Baby, yung chocolate ko.
White chocolate?
Ano yan, dad?
Color speeder.
Wow, you can do hard things. Let's go here naman.
Baby, come here. Baby, come here.
As
Ayan na yung mga baby, her. Kaya.
Ayan ang kailangan putulin na.
Okay. Yun here.
shake mo daw yung hair mo. Ayan!
Sige pa!
Shake mo pa.
Shake mo! Hindi mo mabalik.
Ano po, ano? Baby lights on.
Dad, picture mo si Kaya. Oh, smile! Ipis. Ipis.
Bakit parang ano nga ba yun na kain?
Sampalok.
Sampalok ba yun?
Mamaya lang.
Dito lang makakahito.
Tatot.
Tatot da.
Ay, wow!
100% ka?
Bakit ako? Ang laki ng puwawa. Silipin ko sa loob. Dai! Dai! Kaya! You want this?
Hindi naman nakagalaw eh.
Dati.
Alis nga dyan. Oh, nasa niya nagalaw?
Dati may pinipindot dyan.
Oh.
Mas naman.
Ha?
Doon naman tayo sa may mga stars mo. Sa mga stars? Or dito muna? Ay, may malaking buto ng ano.
sarap din ni Del eh. Hindi binitawan.
Sarap eh.
Climate is tied to ocean circulation.
Nagpuputok na.
Patterns with which
Nailo.
determine
Sige, hold mo lang. Oo. Pag sumabog na, ganyan ang tuloy.
surface circulation.
Kailangan.
Which covers the movement of the deep sea floor.
Dahil lulok mo si mama.
Surface circulation is called a gyre. It is well organized and flows in a roughly circular motion brought about by wind and gravity. It is steered by the placement of the continents and the Earth's rotation.
Inkle. Seed farm. Ah, seed farm. Oh, bakit ang laki? Ano to? Seed farm.
Eh, yung parang ano? Parang tampal puke ba yun?
Parang seed farm na eh.
Ano yun?
If you are lucky, a persistent sign.
Ito yung sa bato ng ulo.
Wait for it. Ay, hindi kasi it's more naman.
Wala na yun. Yung mga sinauna.
Nasa solar system.
Harap kayo dito. Lakad. Lakad, guys. Nakakahilo nga. Hala. Hala.
Tumingin ka sa sahig.
Nakakahilo.
That civilization can communicate and survives. Let's call that F sub F. If we multiply all these numbers together, we will arrive at an estimate.
Nakakatawa.
Hey! Private! Hindi ko masabi ano yan, private spaceship?
Or stardust. The possibility of life on this planet is quite exciting.
Madadaloy sa akin din. Wala sa'yo, nagalaw agad.
Uy, mag-iba yung sa'yo na.
O, hindi na nagalaw yun sa akin, oh. Hey!
Sabi na eh. Mama, we.
Siyempre, tour guide yan. Perfect.
Oh no. Ala. Ay. Ala. Ano? Earthquake. You took. Oh. Like this. Oh no. Tayo, katayo. Oh. All done. Okay na po. Thank you po.
Ocean pala tatawag. Best one.
Pakinig mo sa kanya.
Wait lang, baka nakakatakot eh.
Hi!
Sobrang late.
Wave ka, baby!
Dance, baby, dance.
Ang daming dine. Ano yun, oh? Oh, no!
Kita mo, this one.
Pag spin mo ngayon dalawa, tirap na hair. May dala na may spin
Wala
pa.
na spin.
Ayun, oh.
Natanggal. Tanggal yung pamaliit lang pala. Tama na kuryente.
Ganyan-ganyan.
Jump.
Yeah, lucky. Hi. Jump.
1, 2,
Tara na para matanong natin kung saan yung may palabas.
Static electricity, right? And you know that there's static electricity because you can put it next to your hair and it will stick, right? Like the static ball over there. So the static electricity will be specific heat capacity. Right? In other words, water requires a lot of energy to heat up para painitin. It requires also a lot of energy to cool down.
Yeah, hi ka, hi ka. Hi ka first, hi. Hi ka first, hi. This one, pink one. This one pa, baby, oh. Mali pala yung ginawa ko. Naging positive. Ano to? Ipinatin lang. Try to place different flower shapes on the wing. Different ano? Wow, galing na baby ah!
Again.
Again, do it again!
Ayun, okay.
Hampas mo, hampas!
Saan kayo nag-gaya?
Baby, look here.
Oh, let's go na!
May picture ako dito, da. Go, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go! Baby, can I try also? Just ginagay. Alright. So let's go naman doon. Come here.
Light board! Oh!
Kaya.
Okay. Alright. Oh! Uh-oh!
Dati tingin ka dyan ah. Dyan.
Very good.
Iikot mo.
Susi. Pusa siya, mami.
Wait lang, wait lang. Hindi mo naman masisilip dyan. Ano ba? Agaw. Silip mo. Kita mo? Wow! Nandun naman sa kabila. 4.5.
Way to check this is the
This one.
much more so they have or still does. The possibility of life on this planet is quite exciting.
Hold mo, hold.
The Mars Exploration Program was created because of
Smile ka,
this.
smile.
To understand this
Smile ka,
mysterious
smile.
so much like ours, yet still so different.
Let's go! Wow! Look at that!
Mars is so interesting because of the many things it has in common with our planet Earth. Would you believe it has blue ice caps, volcanoes, and weather patterns that you can more or less predict? The most curious thing about this fish is whether or not
One is not